Welcome to this quick guide on how to change your last name on the Pinterest app using your PC with the latest update. If you've recently had a name change or want to update your profile details, I'll walk you through every step so you can do it effortlessly. First, open the Pinterest app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a menu with various icons. Find and click the gear icon. This icon represents your settings and is your gateway to customizing your profile. After clicking the gear icon, you'll enter the settings area. Here, you want to head straight to the Edit Profile section. This is where all your personal information is stored and where you can make changes to your name, bio, and other details. Once you're in Edit Profile, you'll see fields for your first name and last name. Click on the last name field, delete the current name, and enter your new last name. Make sure you double-check it for any typos or mistakes, because this is how you'll be identified on Pinterest. When you've updated your last name, look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom or top of the profile editing page, and click it. This action confirms and applies your new last name to your Pinterest profile. And that's it. Your Pinterest profile now shows your updated last name across the entire platform. It's a simple process, but important for keeping your profile accurate and professional. If you ever need to edit other parts of your profile, you can always return to the settings using the gear icon and make changes anytime. Thanks for watching.